Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and I have a train obsessed nephew. So when I saw the game Ticket to Ride by Days of Wonder, I knew I had to get it for him. And I'm so glad I did because we had so much fun playing it.
Ticket to Ride is a fast paced and engaging game. It's not like a typical board game where you roll the dice and move across the board. When it's your turn, you don't roll dice, but you get three options: to draw train cards, which you need to make a route on the board. You can claim a route by adding your train cars to the board, or you can draw destination tickets to connect more cities. But be careful, any uncompleted destination cards are deducted from your points at the end of the game. So this game does involve a good bit of strategy, but we had ages 13 to 60 playing, and we were all able to understand the rules and play strategically.
So if you and your family love high strategy games, you should definitely give Ticket to Ride a try on your next family game night. I think you and your family will enjoy it, and that's my point of view.